rice and beans, and I want to show you guys how I make my rice and beans. Okay, I like homemade food, so for all of those who love their own food that they make, or every once in a while you want to make your own meal, right? So it's good to eat homemade food. So here we go. I already got my onions right there. I like to caramelize my onions just to make sure that it is, you know, the flavor, it brings out the flavor. And I already prepped all my spices. So I do use a lot of cherry tomatoes to cook my meals just because it's convenient and it's easy. And I'm gonna use some raw shrimp in there, like my raw shrimp. This is Leek. Okay, I chopped the leaves and then the bottom part I just blended. This is celery, chopped real good there. This is green peppers. I love my green peppers. And this is a mixture of ginger, garlic, one habanero pepper, and the bottom part of Leek. Alright, and I do use salt. It's one of my favorite. Costco, you know, I buy my stuff from Costco a lot. And that's my beans that I've already boiled them. I boiled my beans in the crock pot. I boiled my beans and it was actually frozen. I boiled it while ago. So today I'm just gonna saute everything. You stay tuned for part 2. Okay guys, I've added my the leaves of the leek, the greener part of the leek, you know, I do fry them all together. And I'm going to add my, I know you guys are going, oh my gosh, what's going on? So I'm gonna add my shrimp right there. And with this shrimp right there, I'm gonna add some salt on it. So I've added salt, and I'm gonna let it kind of dry. When it starts changing the color, you know how shrimp change color. Like, I actually like to stir my food. Now I'm going to add that's my celery, and of course my cherry tomatoes. See that my shrimp is now changing color, so I'm going to go ahead and add all the blended part of everything that I put. Just kind of stir it. Make sure it goes everywhere. My pot is really fat, so I'm gonna now add my beans. So here is my beans that has been added to the pot. Alright guys, after mixing all of this, there's few African spices that I like to use on my spot. I'm going to show you just what they look like. Okay, and you can go to the African store and ask for those. I did use thyme. I used a little bit of those leaves on the inside. I already put some. And then this is called rondelle. Some type of African spice. I don't know exactly how to call it, but I'm gonna look it up and show you guys. I use it a lot in my meals. Forget about sprouts, okay? It is something else. I've just used the bottle, and I've actually put rondelle for those who know that. And there's another one that almost looks like a peanut. I blended all of them. This is what it looks like, but I'll show you the spice itself before I blend it. It's called pepper. And I've also used, this is actually white pepper. ingredients, avocado oil. I use avocado almost on everything. I like avocado. I use avocado oil. I eat avocado oil. You know, so I'll just put a little bit here on my food. Okay. And then once I've stirred it, put some avocado oil. So look how it looks so good and so I can already like taste on it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and I'm gonna put my timer on here for about 15 minutes at a very like low heat, not low, like medium heat, and then I'll come and check on it in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes on the clock is cooking. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys my rice. It's already in the rice cooker, and I do use Jasmine rice. I put a little bit of butter every single time in the rice is so it's ready cooked. It's ready. And this rice cooker, see that both of them. 15 minutes is up, so I'm gonna check on it. It's really good. How you stir it. Making sure you don't squelch it. Check on the rice. Here's my rice is cooked. It looks pretty fluffy there. Let's get a spoon so we can, a fork. Let's get a fork so we can see what's going on now. So whenever your rice is really nice and cooked and it's not like, just go in the middle and just see that? That means the rice is done. Very good. Yummy. Here's my beautiful rice and beans. That's done. Looks delicious. And you can see there my little whipped tomato right there, which gives it a nice color, and then some of these green stuff right here, those are all green peppers, and the rice is right at the bottom, looking very, very healthy and good. I can just, the onion